In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva Brand Kit. The Brand Kit in Canva is a simple but powerful way to keep all of your brand elements in one place, so everything you design looks consistent and professional. Instead of manually adding your colors, logos, and fonts every single time you create a design, you'll set them up once here and then reuse them with just a few clicks. Let's start from your Canva home screen. Look over to the menu on the left side of the page. You'll see an option labeled Brand. Go ahead and click on that. This will open your Brand Kit area where you'll manage everything related to your visual identity. Inside the Brand Kit, one of the first things you'll want to customize is your brand colors. These are the colors you use over and over again in your graphics, like your primary brand color, any accent colors. Find the section for brand colors, then click on the color option you see there. This will open up the color picker. Next, look for the option that says Add New Color. Click on Add New Color to create a new color swatch for your brand. You can either choose a color from the palette, or if you already have a specific hex code from your style guide, you can type that in directly. Take a moment to add all of your main brand colors here. This might include your primary color, a secondary color, and maybe one or two neutrals. Once they're saved, these colors will appear automatically in the editor whenever you design something in Canva, which makes it much easier to stay on brand. Now, let's move on to your brand logos. In the Brand Kit, you'll see an area where you can upload logos. Click there, then upload all versions of your logo that you regularly use, such as your full logo, an icon-only version, or a version on a dark background. Having these stored in your Brand Kit means that when you're designing, you can quickly access them under logos without digging through your files. You can also set up your brand fonts. In the Fonts section, choose the typefaces you want to use for headings, subheadings, and body text. Pick the fonts that match your brand guidelines and select appropriate sizes and weights. Once you've set these, Canva will suggest them as your default text styles